Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my Pride series. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a rainbow block eye look, as you guys saw from the title. It's going to be similar to my cow print look, if you guys have seen that one, but rainbow. So I already did most of my base off camera. I haven't done blush yet. For blush, this has been my go-to. This is the Peachy Love Blush Trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Taking this Morphe PK4 brush. This is my go-to bronzer blush brush. And I kind of be doing the damn thing with the blush lately. I love the way it makes me look. I do a little bit on the nose as well. And then I bring the blush up into my bronzer slash contour. And yeah, this is just how I've been liking to wear my makeup lately. Let's start with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. So let's start with the eyes. I'm going to start out with some bronzer in the crease. I'm pretty sure I did this with my little cow look that I did as well. Just like something up here in the crease and like way up here, because I am going to be cutting the crease, so I like to see a little color on top. I think I'm going to use Sir James Charles today. What I did last time was I took MAC's Uninterrupted eyeshadow and I put this shit in the crease. Like that. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Hello, bitch, focus. Bueno. There we go. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and I'm going to take my small concealer brush and I'm going to do one eye at a time, I think. Because girl, you gotta move quick with this because it will crease. Like that. We're gonna bring it down right here. That box is crooked. Okay, so then I'm gonna fill it in with this eye primer. It already looks so good! Just a tiny bit more. That looks so good. Okay, and then I'm going to top a little bit of it out. That way there's not too much product in one area where the color is going to stick more, if that makes any sense at all. Really not. So I'm using my Sephora color switch because I didn't wash my brushes today. And let's start with this side, which I'm going to start with red. Oh no, I'm really scared. I need a smaller brush than this. I have to like lean this way so that I don't get any fallout. We're gonna transition to pink using that same color switch. We're just gonna and then I'm gonna transition into orange. I'm gonna get the pink again and just like go over, get the orange again, go over, just so that there's a nice little blend right there. Do yellow. I guess I'll grab a different brush because for like the blue and the yellow. This yellow is not my favorite, but no, we're not doing that one. We're gonna use Manchester from the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette and mix it with Mixer. And I kind of want to get these colors down before I start like really blending, because then it's really difficult. Taking the color switch again, taking that off, mixing the two greens in the James Charles palette. I think that's what I've been liking lately. Uh-oh, do I have enough space? I need a smaller brush. Then taking, I think it's called Skip. I actually don't know the fucking names of this, so I'm not even gonna pretend. And then, lastly, we're gonna take, I don't remember if I like this purple. Oh yeah, what I did last time is I mixed a little bit of white with the purple. Oh, that's still too light, I mean too dark. We're gonna take Morgan from the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. I'm gonna kind of lean forward because I did my base first. Okay, I promise it's gonna look better. Give me a little bit of time. Taking an angled brush, I'm gonna start this way and move that way. Taking Morgan again and using this brush just straight like this and kind of stamping on the color. Then with the blue, and then back with the green. And then with yellow. I'm gonna do some eyeliner. And then I'm gonna curl my lash. I have to wait for this to dry. I didn't do it before. I'm so stupid. So if you guys watch my channel, usually I curl my lash before I do my eyeliner. That's because when the liquid liner is not dry and you go in and you curl your lash, it sticks right here, right? Onto this little, right here, on this thing. And then when you go to do the other eye, boom, you like stamp liquid liner all over your eye look. And if you do it another time, like, you know, sometimes you do 2 times, you'll mess up all of your eye makeup. And to me, my eye makeup takes forever to do. Do y'all see what I be doing on this channel? So messing up the eyeliner is not an option for me. Like, I mean, messing up the eyeshadow is just not an option for me. I just don't want to. So that's why I do it like that. See how I did it twice? That second time I would have stamped eyeliner on there if I did it too quick. So now I'm applying my regular mascara. We're gonna apply a lash to see how this looks. And that's how that eye looks. It looks really, really good. I need to do some inner corner highlight or something over here to make it look even better. So that is the eye done. So I'm gonna do the other eye now. Let's do some lipstick. And then I'm going to put some uninterrupted under the eyes. I'm like ready. I'm slowly running out of brushes. That looks so good. I'm so fucking happy with it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications for when I post. Make sure to check me out on Instagram to see pictures of this look and all my other looks. Yeah, have a really amazing day. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Love with pride, live with pride, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.